Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. And then we have like this. 3x minus s, we have 2s. The next one, cosine 4x. Next, the integration of cosine 2x, that is about 1 over 2 sine 2x. The next one, we have 1 over 4 sine 4x. And we put the bounds from negative b and b. So we put b gone here and negative b gone here. So we calculate this one and we have number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.